Welcome to the kitchen again. I have a very quick, simple video for you, but something you would love. So in this mason jar here, this is about soaking oats. But me, you know, some of us, you get the Jamaican out of us, you can't necessarily get us out of Jamaica, but, I think that's the other way around. Anyway, I like to use Fosca oats. I don't like the, what's the name of the oats you got out there? Quaker oats. Sorry, Quaker. Anyway, this is one and 1/4 cup of the oats there with soaking in silk coconut milk. I think I use about 1.5 cup of the coconut milk. I'm going to pour it in here. See, growing up in Jamaica, this is something I grew up on. You know, I am not a fan of oatmeal porridge. I love cornmeal porridge, but not a big fan of oatmeal porridge. I used to just make that for the kids. Anyway, I'm going to pour that in there. This is just a snack oats we used to love back home. And here I have a can of vanilla supplicant. Pour that in there. A pinch of nutmeg, ground nutmeg. And I'm going to put a pinch of cinnamon powder. And then I have sweet condensed milk. There are so many ways you can do this, guys. This is for a lunch snack for me right now. But I was going to add some Kahlua in there, but it's too early in the day for that. It's 12 o'clock and I'm still working on some online stuff at home. So I will not be having Kahlua because honestly, I am a light drinker. So light, it's ridiculous. I guess it's good. It keeps me from drinking much. So I'm going to turn this tightly and we're going to do this. And as far as the condensed milk, it's up to you how much or how little you use. I just noticed in my cupboard I have the sweet milk with the leche. The leche. I don't know how that got here because I can't use those. Oh my God, y'all. This is a perfect afternoon snack. I'm going to come back and show y'all some other ideas for this soaked oats. You know, I know a lot of people like to soak their oats for breakfast. Delicious. Yummy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to bring you more good nuggets like this. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I appreciate your support so much. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. I love y'all. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. Stay safe.